Hello, smart people. While humans save money for the future, these animals save food instead. And the way they store it is surprisingly clever. So, this is 5 animals that are better at saving food than we are. Number 1, Pika, the mountain hay collector. High in the cold mountains lives a tiny animal that looks like a mix between a rabbit and a hamster. Before winter arrives, Pikas gather grasses and wildflowers, then spread them out to dry in the sun. These piles of dried plants become their food supply, helping them survive when snow blankets the mountains. Tiny body, incredible preparation.
Pikachu, Pikachu.